I just got back from Sam's Club and Walmart. Actually, I did pick up orders, so I'll be filming the Walmart video right after this. My name is Lacey. If you're new here, I post a lot of food related videos, grocery hauls, and lifestyle videos from time to time. If you're into those videos, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let me show you what I got. I got some go-go squeeze. We have a random little pony here. Some go-go squeeze. I hadn't gotten this one for her in a while. I like this one because it has vegetables in it, also zucchini and sweet potatoes. I got this Caress body wash. It smells so good. It's just like that classic Caress scent. These crab rangoons. I love crab rangoons. I always order them from the Chinese place, so I'm looking forward to these. Some croissants. These are so good and just such a good deal for all these croissants. Some Honest Kids juice boxes for my daughter. This is also a great deal. It has 40 juice boxes for $10. The Body Armor Light sports drinks. I got this in my last haul and John really liked them, so I bought them again. They're sweetened with without sugar, but they do have natural sweeteners in them. And some dishwasher tablets that I can't live without. And diapers. This is my first time buying the Members Mark brand, but I expect them to be good. And they were actually on sale for $8 off, which I didn't even know that when I added it to my cart. So it was a really good deal. And that was all I got on this mini Sam's Club haul. Stay tuned for my Walmart order. That'll be up next. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.